We've just acquired this lovely BMW 320 diesel estate. It's in a lovely condition. It's a very rare, I would say, grey brown colour. Never seen it before. I think it's individual paint. It's got the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, a lot of extras on the car as well. Lovely condition. It's absolutely stunning in this colour. It's got electric tailgate. Boot area is in immaculate condition. Got the rear tannoy cover there. You can open this one to just put your shopping in as well. Full leather interior, lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights. I'll just start the car up. It's done 99,821 miles. It's got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats. It's got satellite navigation, telephone for Bluetooth streaming. Full media pack, high drive, different ways of driving it, sport, eco plus, aux and USB, cruise control. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.